Hello ValPals, we're gonna kick off this vlog with a little unboxing. I won a giveaway from Seoul Glows on Instagram. I'll put their name in the video. But basically I won all these cute little viral skincare brands. And we're gonna try them out. I actually struggle to open all of these packaging. Basically because my nails are like have gems all over them. Like, look at this struggle. Rip number 1, 2. We're just pulling it out at this point. There sadly wasn't a single package that I did not rip. This one was a close one though. I really thought I was gonna get this one, and there I messed it up too. Look at all these beauties sitting together. Hello and welcome back to the channel, ValPals. So I'm going to be doing a get ready with me featuring giveaway products that I won from the brand Seoul Glows. So we have, first, we're gonna start with skincare. We have the Anua Heart Leaf Soothing Toner. I might have pronounced that wrong. And actually, before we do anything, I need to wash my face. Or like get it wet with water. I'm taking these little butterfly clips. I actually got these off of Temu like a while ago, and I'm just gonna pull my bangs back. All right, that's a little better. I'm just gonna clean my face real fast. I always use like kind of warm water, but it's gonna take forever to heat up, so. I usually wear lashes like all the time, so this feels really weird without them. Okay, you all can correct me if I'm wrong, but I did look up the order in which you're supposed to apply things. I saw that toner comes first, then it's supposed to be your essence, then your serum, and it says Miracle Cream, but I'm gonna apply it as if it's like a moisturizer. Let's start with this toner. I'm so excited. I actually have not tried these brands before. This is how it looks. Okay, don't hate on me, but I was not prepared and I don't have cotton pads. I used to apply the Paula's Choice salicylic acid toner every day, but then I ran out and I just honestly forgot to buy more. But we're gonna use a little tissue. It feels really clean. Like, I don't feel any residue on my skin. It doesn't really have a scent, I don't think. I was also just born with a really bad sense of smell, so that could just be me. But it feels really clean. It feels like I just double cleansed my face. It feels really nice, really airy. I like it. Obviously, I'm gonna see how it does for like the whole day. Next step is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It doesn't tell me how much to put, so I did about like 2 pumps. Seems like a good amount. This feels really smooth I like the smell of this actually. It definitely made my skin very glowy. I don't know if you see that. It feels really good. Maybe like a wee bit of stickiness, but it's not like it doesn't bother me, if that makes sense. It honestly feels really hydrating. I don't know if it's supposed to be hydrating, but it feels good. Next, we have the Vitus C Dark Spot Care Serum. That's how it looks. This is gliding on really smooth. And actually what I want to do also with this one, I bought one of these like facelifters on Amazon. It's Evorla, and it does the like red light therapy. It also does blue light, but I'm more concerned with red light and like anti-aging. So with this, I'm also gonna massage my face. I've been doing this every day for maybe 2 weeks now. And it's even got like little electrotherapy. It freaked me out at first because like I felt the electricity and I was like, oh my God, is this thing broken? But I guess it's supposed to do that. But this was like $40 on Amazon. If anyone's like really interested, I can send a link. Just comment down below and I can hook you up. Everyone's got their own like personal struggles, but mine, I feel like since I've been getting older, I've noticed more of my smile lines and dark circles. So that's mainly what I work on when I'm doing this. This AHA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Cream. I actually didn't struggle to get it open. That looks really nice. Ooh, this feels like cool to the touch. I had a feeling it would be. And it smells very minty. And I do feel some skin tingling. If you follow my YouTube shorts, you'll see I got this tier 2 cushion. I got this before Prime Day and I can't believe, because now it's on like a crazy sale, but I literally just bought it, so there's not really a point in me buying another. Okay. And I always just buy the fairest shade of makeup because I'm pale. Okay. I'm waiting for my makeup table to come in. So I'm in my bathroom still, and all my stuff is like in one drawer. This is looking a little crazy. My packaging for this looks so nasty because like I've had this for forever, but I'm using a Giso concealer. I line my under eye bags. I do my smile lines. The sides of my lip. My chin. And my nose. There were like a few points in my life where my skin broke out really, really bad. And like so bad that I had to like rush to see a dermatologist. Like I'd be begging, like, please take me in. And then they'd always clear it up in like a month. But yeah. Like my skin used to be so bad, even just like 5 years ago, where when I would try a new product, it would completely destroy my skin. Like if I changed my cleanser, if I changed like my makeup, like I would wake up and my skin would just be trashed. I just have like poor skin genetics, but thankfully that got better. I use right now the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I don't know what shade I got. Light brown. I gotta look in the mirror for a little bit. And I'm using just like She Glam, a really old bottle for my contour. I almost feel like I contour weird. I don't know if anyone else contours like this, but I do my nose bridge. Also, this is gonna look really weird because the applicator is very large. I go around like the bottom of the nose and draw 2 lines up. Put some under my nose. And then this is like my weird part. But I've been drawing 2, oh, that is not centered, oh my gosh. I draw like 2 like triangles and I dot the rest. I don't know if anyone else does it this way. I've tried a lot of different contouring and I just feel like this looks the best on my face. I feel like there's a lot of trends out there, but everyone's face is so different that like I would follow trends, but then because my face is so different, it like doesn't work for me, and I would always look super like, I don't want to say fake, but like it didn't complement my features. So I would always look super makeup-y. Versus I feel like when you find a makeup that actually complements your face, it's not as noticeable. Okay, bringing this down. Maybe if you'll bully me enough, I will actually like use makeup brushes, but for right now, this is just how I do it. This is the first brush you're gonna see me pull out, and it's Hello Kitty. But I'm using these two. Ironically, in the store, so this Dior blush is Rosy Glow, #1 pink. In the store, if you try to test these like on your arm, it will not show up. Like genuinely, like if you take a, they have these like eyeshadow samplers. So I like used an eyeshadow wand to like try to get off the sample in the store, and it does not come off. So I like thought this was gonna be a bust. But when you use an actual brush, like this actually does transfer onto your face. But I would say this probably only suits like really pale skin tones. They have like a lot of other colors, but just like for this pink, I don't know how well it would show up on skin tones that like aren't this pale. And I, right now, have been applying it under my cheekbone. Let's go for eye makeup next. I'm still using this Tartelette palette. I obviously have a lot more coming in after my Amazon Prime deals that I ordered. But I do really like this palette, so I'm gonna use it. I think I'm gonna accentuate the under eyes. I'm probably not gonna put as much on the top because I might just eyeliner wing it. Okay, so I come in with like a really light shade of pink. This is shade Blossom in this palette. And then I take it to my under eye. And I'm gonna take like a slightly darker purple and put it just in the outside corners. So I'm using this Euphoric brown shade. I just dab a little on the end and I just make a little line. I take a little like highlighter color. This one is Paradise with my little angled brush. And I put it right at the start of my eyes. In the middle. Next thing I do, I line my under eye. Well, not under eye, the top of it. Just the top of it. I'm just gonna do this in the mirror. Okay. I light it very lightly. I feel like you can still see the difference. But I wear lashes and I feel like this just helps blend them out better. You don't want to like see the corner of your eyelashes like sticking up and whatnot. And if it's black or dark, it just blends out better. So I actually already have these out of the case, but I did want to just show everyone the case that it came with because these are really good lashes. I wear the Ardell 3D Foam Wings and I like them. They're the only lashes that I wear. I probably will try some other lashes lately, but, or soon. This is how my lashes look. And this is also why I don't like looking at my face without lashes. Like this looks like weird to me. Okay. I need to change my battery camera before I put my other lash on. Okay, battery is changed. Camera only like slightly looks like it's gonna fall down. Let's go. And like, look how different my face looks with these like lashes on. Like, I look like a whole Barbie. Like, this is so cute. Lips. You've got to work with what you've got. Like, my Cupid's bow is very, very pointed. So even though I personally love seeing the makeup styles where girls like will round it, when I try to do that, like my Cupid's bow is still very evident under all that liner. So it just doesn't end up looking good on me. It's like it looks kind of embarrassing when I try to do it. So I've learned if you have a very strong Cupid's bow, like draw around that Cupid's bow. Like it's just your genetics and it's gonna look good. Moment of truth. My Amuse new lip gloss. If you're watching my shorts, it's in there. The unpackaging, the unboxing is in there. Okay. You know what I also realized? I forgot some of my makeup stuff. Okay. Forgot some of my steps, but I'll just add them on later. Honestly, the line doesn't look like too bad because I'm wearing a darker lip gloss than normal, but I take the end of this wand and I'm gonna do little circles along the whole line until I blend it out. I'm gonna look in the mirror for this because like I might mess it up in my camera. It's time. It's time to take these little clippies out and brush my bangs out. This is gonna look really bad. Using a little Bellamy professional brush that I got with my extensions. Ooh, yeah. These bangs are gonna need to be redone. They are not perfect, but they will do for today. Okay, this is the final look. My hair is still kind of everywhere, but that's okay. Cool. So thank you ValPals for getting ready with me, and maybe you could take some of my tips with you when you get ready next time, and definitely give me your tips on how I can do this better. And I will see you next week when I'm in Florida.